Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. Remember that if you enjoy this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. Yesterday in class we ended up discussing celebrities and scandals. We were looking at some vocabulary for describing different kinds of scandals and talking about things like celebrities getting caught on camera snorting cocaine, or politicians being implicated in financial scandals or sex scandals of some kind. We also talked a little bit about celebrity magazines, celebrity gossip websites and that kind of thing. And in the middle of all of this, one of my students, who's otherwise a highly articulate and intelligent woman, looked slightly sheepish. She looked a bit guilty and admitted, yeah, I have to confess, I'm actually a bit of a sucker for celebrity gossip. If you say that you're a sucker, a bit of a sucker, a real sucker for something, it means that you like it so much you can't refuse it or judge its real value. Usually we use it when we're talking about things that we kind of enjoy as a guilty pleasure. Things that we think maybe other people will judge us negatively for liking, because in the wider culture, in the wider world, these things aren't seen as worthy or good for you or healthy. So, personally, I have to admit, I'm a real sucker for trashy zombie movies, Dawn of the Dead and that kind of thing. My daughter, even though she's a vegetarian and she's generally quite health conscious, she's a real sucker for a custard donut. And Andrew, my co-author, one thing you might not know about him is he's a real sucker for a good musical. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Do share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students, your parents, your loved ones. And in the comments section below, tell us about things that you're a real sucker for.